Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how It's Learning works so that you can find your Teams meeting and also some of your assignments in there before we get started. I'm not sure if you guys have gotten anything from the school yet or not, but this is just from me. Hopefully this is a little bit helpful at least. So if you're going to It's Learning, I find it easiest to just type in start.hcps in the Google search, and you can usually find your It's Learning tile pretty easily that way. Or you can just type in It's Learning and log in through It's Learning. When you first get here, you'll see all your classes, your courses. It should look the same as it did in the spring. If you're taking my FOT class, it'll look like that, advanced, so on and so forth. If we go into one of these courses, you're going to find my Teams meeting right here, down in the right-hand corner. And this is actually the teacher view, so I'll just change that to student so it looks the same for me as it does for you. So right here's your Teams meeting. Just click that and you'll join up to the meeting. You may not see me right away. That's fine if you're a little bit early. Just give me a few minutes. I will join you. I will also have a warm-up for you on the screen once I join. So if you don't see anything right away, just give it a minute. I'll be there when class starts at 7:55 for first period, I believe. For the rest of your resources, you go to plans right here, and you'll have week 1. If you scroll down, my scroll's off the side here, can't quite see it. You need to expand this little button for 3 plans, and that will show you all the content for that week under that topic. And right here is all of that stuff. So you're gonna have some PowerPoints, YouTube videos, some other things. This may look different tomorrow because I'm probably gonna change some stuff around. But this is where you wanna click for all your resources. Some of your teachers may have actually put your Teams meeting in here. So if you can't find it where I put mine, you may find it in here somewhere, just a Teams meeting link. So just click on that and that should take you to the Teams meeting, and look forward to seeing everybody there. Another place you might find it, if we go back to the overview. So mine's down here. This is called the sticky note, or the note. Some people may have put it under the announcements, but I don't know, we're not supposed to for some reason, but some people may have it there. So just check around It's Learning for the Teams meeting. Good luck. Hope to see you.